Hurricane Florence has killed 36 people in its nearly week-long assault on the Atlantic coast. The effects of that storm are still being felt. Local 12's Anjanette Levy is on Harkers Island, where a Navy arrived today to help.
Homes and businesses here on Harkers Island were pounded by Florence's winds and rains. Some were more damaged than others. But today, some volunteers brought some much-needed help.
I knew the storm would be bad, but I didn't know it would last for 3 days.
But it did, and now there's a 54-foot tarp covering Nita Taylor's roof.
My neighbor had sent pictures, so I knew it was going to be bad.
But nothing prepared Taylor for what she found inside.
Just the continuous water buildup is what caused all the ceilings to fall. Pictures don't tell you the whole story until you see it, and you think this is where you were hoping to retire and you got to start over. So.
Several trees are down on the island, and people have been trying to clean up. Today, Harkers Island got some help. Volunteers from the Cajun Navy and the Carteret and Craven Displaced Dogs and Cats organization rolled in, dropping off pet food and cleaning supplies.
When I went down there, we had 5 people. We blasted it out over Facebook, and you see we've got we had 6 trucks full of supplies to bring to us. The East Coast.
And it's amazing. I did not expect this much stuff.
And they'll pull together to ensure everyone gets back on their feet.
It's a lot to take in, and I've had my moments of tears, but I know God will take care of it.
Cleaning supplies and non-perishable food items are 2 of the big ticket items that people here need because the power could be out here for another week. On Harkers Island, I'm Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News.
Sinclair Broadcast Group and the Salvation Army are teaming up to help victims of Hurricane Florence. And you can help by going to local12.com and clicking on the banner at the top of the page labeled "We Stand Strong with the Carolinas Relief Fund." The Salvation Army has also set up a text to give option. Text Florence to 91999. Message and data rates may apply. Text HELP for some help if you need it. And privacy policy and rules at mobilecause.com/constituent-terms-new. Sinclair will match the first $100,000 donated.